We are actually going around, and with the help of the Philippine Information Agency, we are organizing several Kapihan to again promote the importance of volunteerism, highlight again the importance of volunteerism, because as I have said, volunteerism is something that people would say it is good, it is important, but then ano ba talaga yung ginagawa natin, especially on our side, government, to provide the enabling mechanism for volunteerism, maximize the potential of volunteerism as a development strategy on the part of the higher education, most especially, as well as basic education. We would like, again, to call on their participation, especially in making volunteerism integrated in their curriculum,